I have been making so many model planes. Like this one, or even this one. And loads more that you guys can watch. Which is why today I'm gonna be unboxing the Icelander plane. First, I'm gonna get this baby unboxed. Let's do that right now. We've got the wings, we've got the engines, we've got our stand, and we've got the actual fuselage. All right, let's get to building. And while I start building this plane, I want to tell you why I haven't been uploading. You see, I used to make Minecraft videos and I really missed making them, so I started a new channel called Combo 360. But back to the video. Hopefully without getting too frustrated, I'm gonna try to open this. That was surprisingly easy. First, I'm going to be attaching the main fuselage to both of these wings over here. Wing number 1 is complete. Wing number 2 is complete. Okay, I've got some elevators right here and some elevators right here. Which elevator should I choose? If you chose this elevator, you would be wrong. We're going to be using these. Alright, so the elevator goes on the back of the plane just like this. These are the two engines. And now I'm going to be attaching them to this. While I put these engines on, do you guys want to hear an airplane joke? Why was the airplane not able to play basketball? He made too many air balls. And just like that, what an absolute beauty this thing is.